Mayor Baraka, why are you defending criminal illegal aliens?
Don't do that.
You're allowed to have press.
Don't do that. You're not going to pressure me with this case. You're not going to push me in one direction with this case.
You guys gotta move out. Coming through. He's gonna give a press conference. Go to where the press is set up. He's not saying anything here. He's not saying anything here. We're moving to the press area. Let's go. Get out of the way.
Back up. Back up.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I told you guys. Let's go.
Yes! We love you! Oh, united, shall never be defeated!
Press, he will be up here. He will be up here.
I would have been out here a little earlier, but they had to take my fingerprints and picture again. They took me in the basement, took a mug shot and my fingerprints again in the court, so I did it twice. So, you know, they're trying their best to humiliate and demean and degrade, you know, me as much as they possibly can, but I still feel I feel like what we did was completely correct. Yes. We did not violate any laws. We stood up for the Constitution of this country, the Constitution of the state of New Jersey, and we stood up for the local laws that were put together by the people of this city and by the people of this state. The irony of this is that today the U.S. Supreme Court is hearing oral arguments on Donald Trump versus New Jersey and his desire to undermine the 14th Amendment of the Constitution to get rid of birthright citizenship. On that same day, today, USA versus Ras Baraka just begun its status hearing to talk about me trespassing on property which we believe is not federal property, but because we're just trying to make a private company follow the laws that we've established here in the city of Newark in the state of New Jersey. And because they believe that they're above those laws, that they can in fact, you know, subvert them and do what they want to do without having any accountability or transparency. We believe that I was targeted in this. I was the only person arrested. You know, I was the only person identified. I was the only person, you know, they put in a cell. You know, the only person that was in cuffs and the only person that's here this morning going through this humiliation for these people. The real bizarre thing about all of this is that we are fighting about a document that was created hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It's called the Constitution of the United States. Which gives everybody due process, no matter who you are, no matter what language you speak, no matter what your background is, what your gender is, or who you decide to love. That the Constitution protects everybody once you step foot on this soil, once you reside in this country, whether you document it or not, the Constitution protects you. That's what separates this country from every other country around the world. That we all have due process. That we all have to we have the ability to face our accusers. We have our day in court, that we have a trial by jury, that we're innocent until proven guilty. And that our persons and our paper and our property is secure and protected by the laws of this country, and you cannot just subvert that, undermine that, disregard that, simply because you want to. I don't care who you are, you don't have the right to do that. You have the right to identify people based on their nationality, their race, or their language, and say that some people should be treated by the laws of this land and other people should not. This is wrong, it is unjust, it is undemocratic, it is unpatriotic, it is un-American. That's right. This is why we're really here today. This is not about specific people. It's not about specific people. It's not even about me. This is about systems that were put in place to protect all of us, every last one of us. And there are individuals who want to ignore that or pretend that doesn't exist and create a problem where we believe that we are each other's enemies. So you have people who say, how is this our fight? And they ask me, Mayor, why are you protecting immigrants? Well, and I've said it repeatedly over and over again, if you're not from the Choctaw Nation or the Lenni Lenape, if you're not a Cherokee or Apache, then somebody in your family has come here undocumented. And if you are from the lineage of those people, then your status in this country is because you were born and naturalized into the United States. This is just a fact. And I'm gonna tell you another point of history. This is a moral moment for us all. When Irish Americans came here, they were subjected to similar treatment.
Preach it.
When Italian Americans came here, they were criminalized and subjected to similar treatment. When Jewish Americans came here, they were identified and subjected to similar treatment. But we know when black and brown working people in this country are subjected, our treatment is a little bit worse sometimes. And so what's happening here, they're targeting not just immigrants, but black and brown immigrants. As we watch these people take away temporary protected status for hundreds of people and send them wherever they want to send them, even places that are not even the country of their origin. And then take a plane to South Africa and bring Afrikaners here and say that they should provide safety and shelter for people in a history of what we know is apartheid, known as Jim Crow for us in America. This is just a fact. This is just a fact. And we have a right to say something. Now, I wasn't down there, no matter what they say, I wasn't down there protesting. But guess what? People who were down there protesting have a right to do that. They have a right to do it, and I have a right to talk to them. And I have the right to be in alliance with them. And I have the right to protect them. I have a right to speak on their behalf. The Constitution allows them, affords them a right to redress their grievances. That's just a fact. We cannot arrest people simply because they disagree with us. We cannot target people because their political views are separate from ours. We cannot subjugate people, take their pictures, mugshots, and fingerprints because we believe that somehow they oppose to our position. That, ladies and gentlemen, is authoritarianism. That's what it is. There's nothing, no other way you can shade it, define it. I'm gonna tell you, we had to wait to drop that video to show that I walked in there, but many people here had pictures and videos. You saw it. I'm gonna tell everybody else that the Constitution also protects the freedom of the press. Because somehow the founders believed that the press would protect democracy at all costs. They believed that journalists would protect the Constitution at all costs. They believed that they wouldn't be swayed by money or authority or power or be afraid by those in positions, that they would tell the truth with their video and their words and their print, that they would not cower under the pressures of what we're seeing here happening in this country. That they would tell the truth all of the time. And so it's our duty and our responsibility, all these cameras that I see, all these people that are rioting, to tell the damn truth. It is your responsibility. That's why it's in the Constitution in the first place. Because everything should have a light on it. That's just the reality of it. Good or bad. Good or bad. Now, I know people thought I was going to come out here and talk crazy about individuals and speak about this person and that person, but that's not why I'm here. Because these issues are bigger than them.
That's right.
The things we're fighting for and against are bigger than those folks in there. Bigger than those attorneys, bigger than the U.S. attorney, bigger than all of these people. These issues are way larger than them. Despite what they believe and think, or positions or titles they hold, the Constitution protects them as well. So yeah, this is all of our fight. It's all of black people, brown people, Asians, whites, poor whites. It's all of our fight.
Yes, yes.
Every last one of us. And anybody who doesn't believe that is wrong. You're absolutely wrong. I saw a post, and I'm gonna sit down, I saw a post that said that we were defending immigrants and not people from Newark. But that statement is an oxymoron. Because immigrants are people from Newark.
That's right.
It's really an ignorant statement. And they need education because they say, oh, you're defending immigrants. Well, if you walk around the city, you'll see this is a city of immigrants. And they pay taxes here and reside here and work here and raise their children here and do it the same thing that everybody else dealt with here. And when you, and the person who wrote that, when your great-grandmother showed up here from South Carolina, from Mississippi and Alabama, on a train with everything they owned in a shoebox, with chicken and cornbread because they couldn't stop at Denny's to get nothing to eat because of segregation in the way here from the South. When they showed up here and washed other people's clothes and shined other people's shoes and cleaned other people's kitchens and took care of other people's children just so you could write this thing that you wrote on Facebook this morning. Shame on you. Shame on you. Because your great-grandmother, while she was fighting and struggling, was subjected to the same thing you wanted us to subject upon other people who they made you believe that you're not. This is wrong. It is absolutely wrong. These people benefit from keeping us divided. That's right. They benefit from keeping us divided. They benefit from keeping us divided.
That's right.
Absolutely.
Let these people know they don't have a case.
That's right.
They should dismiss the case. They should dismiss it today. We're sitting there talking about where they should dismiss it today. Get rid of it now. It is silly, it's petty, it's unlawful. Get rid of it. You should not have it. You're not going to pressure me with this case. You're not going to push me in one direction with this case. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Let us do what we're supposed to do. Let us start doing what we need to do. Get rid of this thing. You know it. We know it. Your council knows it. Our council knows it. There's no real case here. There's nothing real here. There's no there there. At the end of the day, let's shut it down. No more. No more. I thank all of you guys for coming out and supporting me today. I really do. I want to shout out the organizations that are here today. Obviously, Make the Road, 32BJ. Shout y'all out. New Jersey Alliance for Immigrant Justice is here as well. There's the People's Organization for Progress. All of the other elected officials that I see out here. I saw Mary Mapp, Assemblywoman Tucker, other folks that showed up that day when I was arrested and showed up here today. I've always reiterated that, you know, they actually locked me up for real. They put me in a real cell. They took my pictures, interrogated me, all of that. Though the officers in Homeland Security treated me with respect and dignity. I always say that because I'm gonna give people what they're due. But at the end of the day, I shouldn't have been in there.
That's right. That's right.
I shouldn't be here today.
That's right.
God bless y'all. I thank you for coming out here today. I appreciate it.
We love you. We love you back.
Thank you so much for your work today, sir.
Please don't flag them, please.
I'm being careful.
There's a little room. please, please, a
Y'all
little
move
room.
back, please. Just
Little
walk back.
room, please.
Just move back.
Please, please.
Please, I'm begging you, bro. We got to get out of here, please. That's enough. That's enough.
Please, just back up a little for him.
Please, can y'all let us just get out of here?
Just get out of here.
Can we get out of here?
They got it. They're backing up.
He probably gonna walk.
Thank you.
Come on now.
Come on, guys. You can't.
Back up.
Can't stop the progress.
Give me some room. Excuse me.
Come on, guys. Let him go. Gotta let him go. Where? Where's the trial? I'm not the attorney. To the left. We're going. Keep going, y'all. Don't stop. Mayor's got to say everything he's there.
Don't ask him nothing right now, please.
I know. Let me get it through this and then you catch up with me. I got you back.
The U.S. Attorney say anything to you, Mayor?
Mayor Baraka, why are you defending criminal illegal aliens? 75% of the people in Delaney Hall have criminal convictions or pending convictions. Why are you defending MS-13 members? And why are you defending murderers?
Excuse me.
Get him in the truck.
That's fake news. That's fake news.
Fake news. Why are you defending criminals?
Back up.
Why you defending fake? Why you defending fake news?
Why Trump defending fake news? That's Trump.
Why is the mayor defending criminals? Why is the mayor defending criminals?
What criminal?
Absolutely.
Name one.
There's MS-13
Name
members
one.
in there. Name one.
Name the name.
Over New Jersey.
Name the name.
Name one.
Excuse me, sir. Stop pushing me.
Baby, listen.
This man right here.
Stop messing me up.
Aggressive. Pushing me this entire time.
Don't do that.
He was.
Don't do that.
You're allowed to have press.
Don't do that.
That's wrong. Today, New Jersey, to ask the mayor what he's defending. Guess what? I care more about the people of New Jersey than the people that are in that detention center. I'm independent from Texas.
Ma'am, you're very
I've been
aggressive.
covering the border for the past 4 years.
Don't give them the narrative.
Very aggressive.
Okay, because your mayor is defending
can't-
criminally illegal aliens
I'm
who
trying
are
to
the
tell
worst
you,
in
you're very
society.
aggressive.
They're MS-13 members,
I'm just trying to tell you
they're
this.
murderers,
Listen,
they're drug
you have
traffickers,
the right to
and
say
I
what
care
you wanna
more
say.
about the citizens of
But
New
I hear what you're
Jersey
saying, but you're
than the
very
people in
aggressive,
there, and I think
and
that
you're
it's
pushing
very
and being
bad.
violent.